Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. For all of those that are new around here, make sure to subscribe and check out the rest of our vegan recipes. Today we are going to make a white and dark chocolate spread in a combination with chickpeas, and don't worry, it won't be overwhelming, just delicious. Get your food processors ready and let's get started. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and share with all your friends and loved ones. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below, and see you next time. Cheers!